G'day, my name is Gordon Bosley. I work with Orienteering Queensland and do quite a bit of coaching and map preparation and course setting for students at schools. This is the first of a series of videos designed to help you learn how to use Purple Pen to set courses in a school environment. The software is free and it is dedicated to setting orienteering courses, and particularly can be used with PDF copies of your school map. It's easy to download and install. I'm not going to go into detail about that process. As you can see, I'm at the Purple Pen website and the download button is right there on the home page. I'd encourage you to donate because the software is a fantastic tool for the purpose of setting orienteering courses. My intention is to create a series of these videos so that we can take you through to a reasonably advanced level of competency in terms of being able to set a group of courses for an event at your school. As far as I know, Purple Pen is a Windows-only application. Let's get to know our map before we actually open the software. The first thing I need to know is where my map is stored. So in my case, in this particular example, it's in a Dropbox Orienteering Maps Mullaney folder. The next two things I need to understand require me to open the map. So I'm launching this PDF copy of my Mullaney State High School map and checking its scale, which, as you can see, is 1:2,500. The second thing that I'm checking by looking at the map is confirming that it is in fact set in landscape rather than portrait mode. Once you've ascertained those details about your map, that would be its directory, its scale and its layout, you can close the PDF. Now I'm assuming that you have successfully downloaded Purple Pen and installed it on your computer. I'm going to the icon on my taskbar and launching the program. There are 4 options on a splash screen as we launch, and the one I'm choosing is to create a new event. Click OK. Give the event a title. Click Next, and then click the Choose Map File button. And find and click and select Open on your map. Click Next. Remember the scale of your map and make sure that you key in the correct scale. Mine was 2,500. Click Next. The default printing scale should be the same. Leave that as is and click Next. My map is in landscape mode, so I need to have landscape selected on the paper size screen. Click Next. And I'm going to create all my Purple Pen files in specific subfolders for each week of my program. So I'm choosing in another folder and selecting Choose Folder, accessing the directory for the Mullaney map and selecting the Make New Folder button and naming the subdirectory. Click OK. Click Next. When you see the IOF standards screen, in most cases for a school map, you'll leave it as Descriptions 2004 and ISOM 2000, ISOM 2007. These values matter far more for more formal events, but on a school map, these settings are fine. Click Next. The set of flags that I own start at number 51, so I'm adjusting the starting code from 31 to 51 and clicking Next. The directory is displayed in the Create Event dialog box, and that looks acceptable to me, so I'm clicking Finish, and you'll see that Purple Pen now loads and I can see my Mullaney map on my screen. Let's just maximize that so you can get a good look at it. A couple of simple navigation tips before we close this video. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in to see more detail of the map. Roll it backwards to zoom back out again. You can click and drag the map up, down, left and right to focus on a specific part of it. The other little tip I'd give you here is that you can change the intensity of the map to expose or reduce the detail of the map against your orienteering courses. So for example, you can set it to high. I actually prefer low, but you can adjust it to suit yourself within those settings. I hope this video has been useful to you. In the coming videos, we'll set a very simple course and then go on to utilize more sophisticated features of Purple Pen. Thanks for watching.